asparagus. Okay, y'all, I'm at the restaurant, right? G&M restaurant here in Maryland. I'll put the address up so everyone can see. Off of Hammond's Ferry Road. Hammond's Ferry Road. But someone told me to check out G&M. Jeff B. Let's check it out. They got a carry-out section. And let's walk around. Let's just walk around the whole building. I should have went in the other door, y'all. This is what it is. G&M Restaurant and Lounge. Restaurant Lounge. Right here, y'all, we're off of West Nursery at Hammond's Ferry. Let's see pronounce it. Let's check it out, man. Oh, it gets dark in here. It gets dark. How y'all doing? It's dark in here, y'all. See, I'm an older guy. I gotta let my eyes get adjusted. This G&M, right? Y'all got the best. Y'all got the best crab cakes.
That's what we're known for.
I want to come in and check out the crab cakes. Yeah.
You haven't had one yet?
I haven't. This is my first time.
Oh my.
You know, it's funny. I've traveled south a lot, going to South Carolina, but I've never actually stopped this long. I'll be here for the boat show in Annapolis. So.
I haven't been on a boat show in years.
Oh yeah,
It's been a long time.
I'm all new. Look, speaking of boats, look, they got sailboats up here, y'all. Yeah, it's just one of us, and I was told to come by here and check it out.
Right, let's get y'all taken care of. Okay.
Got some candy. I'll get that when I come back. Got some desserts there, man. Look at that. Oh yeah. You know what? This should be fine because I'm gonna just video.
Yeah, so we have a couple different options. You can do a 4-ounce or an 8-ounce sandwich, or you can, that comes with one side.
That's the crab cakes?
Yes.
Okay.
Or you can do a platter that comes with an 8-ounce crab cake, or a double would be 2 8-ounce crab cakes and 2 sides.
That's a lot, right?
Yeah, that's a lot.
I'm gonna get the 8-ounce.
The 8-ounce sandwich?
No, not the sandwich.
The platter. Okay,
the platter.
You get 2 sides with that.
What's the best sides? I'm sorry.
So my favorite would be the mashed potatoes and the asparagus.
Let's do that. Okay, y'all, I just ordered an 8-ounce crab cake, and I have asparagus on the side, and I'm also getting the mashed potatoes, all right? And you know I asked for some butter. So you gotta get some butter, man. Gotta get the extra butter. It may be real buttery, but I still wanted to order some extra butter. We're here in Maryland, and this is the first restaurant I'm visiting. They're supposed to have some of the best crab cakes around. Jeff Billingsley told me to come here, so I'm here. Let's check it out. There it is, y'all. That's that 8-ounce crab cake, asparagus, and the potatoes. Thank you very much. Look at this, man. This looks good, right? Asparagus looks good. Looks like it's roasted. And you got the crab cake, man. That crab cake looks really good. Looks really good. All right, y'all, it's time to dig into this food. The first thing I'm gonna eat, y'all not gonna guess this, but the first thing I'm gonna try is the asparagus. Let's check out this asparagus. You know, I gotta, oh, wow. I definitely have some garlic on here. First thing I'll check when I eat asparagus is to make sure it's tender. That's some tender asparagus. Even when you get past the thicker end, sometimes it starts getting chewy and stringy. I don't like that. That whole asparagus was tender. I'm going right into the crab cake, y'all. Check this out. I gotta make sure nothing falls. That's gonna be my thumbnail right there. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness, look, see that right there? You know, I always talk about lump crab meat. That is a piece of lump crab right there. Somebody's in the back with some whole blue crabs. I'm gonna just say shucking them, grabbing them, shelling them, deshelling them. Oh my goodness. Jeff was right, man. Jeff was like, yo, these are delicious. Okay. The last time I had crab cake Benedict in Rhode Island, which I just came in here assuming that would still be the best. And it's unique up there because they have the eggs on it, crab cake Benedict. If I had to choose, I just love crab so much, and this tastes just like I'm peeling some crabs, man, with some extra spices and deliciousness, man.
How's everything?
This is really good. This is really good lump crab meat. You guys got like blue crabs back there and you peeling the meat out or what?
They do it behind the scenes.
Ah, see that? That's awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Look at this, man. Look at the crab meat in there. Can you see it? Can you see that whole blue crab meat? Look. Okay, y'all, I'm very glad I came here. And this is G&M, a G&M restaurant. Or is it M&G? It's G&M restaurant. I just want to savor this crab meat. I don't want to eat it too fast, so I'm going to go to the potatoes now. I got 2 sides with my 8-ounce crab cake. Let's try the mashed potatoes. Those are definitely onions on there. This tastes like they're good potatoes. It tastes like whatever they made this in. It tastes really seasoned. It almost tastes like steak. Let's put a little butter on it. There's nothing wrong with a little butter, right? Just a little bit. And I did order Sprite, y'all. I'm gonna tell on myself I ordered some Sprite. Let me adjust my shirt. I ordered Sprite. Let's put some butter on these potatoes. Potatoes are good. I gotta go back to the crab. I just wanna savor it, man. I don't wanna eat it too fast. It's delicious. And then I wanna just do that like that with that little piece of butter sticking up off of that potato, off of those mashed potatoes. Those are good mashed potatoes. I used to like when my mom made mashed potatoes and then she would put the butter in them, and then also my dad was a gravy person. So she used to make a side like a gravy, put that on the mashed potatoes, delicious. I am going back into the crab meat. Should I be using this smaller? I think I should be using the bigger fork, right? Where are my proper people at? Should I use the bigger fork on the crab or the smaller fork? I should be using the bigger fork. Let's go in once again. See that? I don't know if any of y'all ever peel your own crabs, but that right there is lump crab meat for real. It's so tender, man. And whatever seasoning they're using for this, it's not your typical Old Bay seasoning. Look at that, that's a whole piece of meat right there. It looks like chicken almost. Don't taste like chickens. All right, y'all, it's official. I'm not gonna be on here long. This is G&M restaurant here in Maryland. I put the address up right there. It is the address. Delicious. Okay, I know what the secret is. When you peel crabs, right? You can pull that meat out. And then you also have that flavor from the roe. You know what I'm talking about, female crabs. You taste that pure flavor of blue crabs along with the other herbs and spices that they've included in this. Without the shell. Oh wow, I got to the middle of it. It even tastes better. Wow. Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead out on the limb. These are the best crab cakes I've ever had. Yeah, because they're really meaty. You know, we use that. Sometimes we use that stuffing / dressing mix to tie it together, man. This is that good lump crab meat without too much of that stuffing type mix in there. That's it, man. I'm gonna sign off. Nobody told you they love you today. You're hanging with the wrong cats. This your man, Matt DV. On to the next one here in Maryland. I can't pronounce the name of the place. We're not in Baltimore, but we're right outside of Baltimore. I think this is like a suburb of Baltimore, but that's the address right there, man. Thanks for those that hit that $ thanks button. Where is it? Right there? I think it's right there. That $ thanks button. And supporting us. I still edit. I still drink coffee. Some people buy me cups of coffee, man. That's the way you can do that right there, by hitting that $ thanks button. Also, thanks for all our patrons for signing up and becoming patrons on patreon.com. Thanks and shout out once again, man. I'm still on the spiritual high from our YouTubers meetup and our subscribers meetup for y'all coming out, showing support, man. Love you cats and see y'all at the next one. Peace. They thought this was a game, y'all.